kids. Let us learn something interesting about numbers. They can be written in decimal form. So, now we are going to learn about decimals. Children, we have learned how to make fraction of shaded part in fraction chapter. So, if total boxes are 10 and out of 10, 5 are shaded. So, we write 5 by 10. There is another way to write this fraction as 0.5. This is known as decimal number or decimal. And if 9 boxes are shaded out of 100, then it will be 9 by 100, which is written as 0.09. A decimal number has two parts. One on the left side and other on the right side of the point. Let us see what these parts are. Consider the decimal 0.5. The dot between 0 and 5 is called a decimal point. The number to the left of the decimal point is called the whole number part. The number to the right of the decimal point is called the decimal part. So, let's see the definition of decimal number now. A fraction whose denominator is 10, 100, 1000, etc. and whose numerator is expressed by figures placed to the right of a decimal point are called decimals. Now, let us study the place value chart. Are you asking whether you have to learn place value in decimals also? Yes. As you can see, the numbers on the left side of the decimal point are having the place of ones, tens, which are similar to number system. But the numbers on the right side of the decimal point are written as tenth, hundredth, thousandth, and so on. So, let's take an example. 31.8. So here in the tens place we will write 3. In the ones place we will write 1. Then in 10th place we will write 8. Similarly we will do in 0.671. 0 in ones place, 6 in 10th place, 7 in 100th place and 1 in 1000th place. Now, let us learn about how to write decimals in words. We will write it as we will call it, like 9.64. So, we write spelling of 9, then spelling of point, then spelling of 6 and 4. Similarly, 0.004 as 0.004. Now, let us learn about expanded form. First, we will simply multiply the place with its digit. For example, 27.39. So here 2 is in tens place. So 2 tens are 20. 7 is in ones place. So 7 ones are 7. 3 is in 1/10th place. So 3 multiplied by 1/10 is 3/10. 9 is in 100th place. So 9 multiplied by 1/100th is 9/100th. So these products we will write along with plus sign, that is 20 plus 7 plus 3/10th plus 9/100th. Now let us learn how to convert decimal into fraction. According to the number of digits from right side, we write 10, 100, 1000 in denominator of the fraction. So 1.5 is equal to 15 by 10. As only one digit is there on the right side of the point, therefore in denominator we have written 10. Similarly, 0.87 is equal to 87 by 100 and 567.807 is equal to 5,67,807 by 1000. Remember, in numerator we write the given number without point. Now we convert fractions to decimals. For that we will do opposite, that is, according to the number of zeros in 10, 100, 1000 in denominators of the fraction, we will place decimal point from right side. Like 15 by 10, we will write 1.5.